Yan guys, sailboat. Pero may nagsanking sailboat dito. All this siguro to, natanggal na. Grabe, laki nito. Siguro mga 15 meters. Diba? According to Flo,
this is very sad, you know,
very,
because I am an old-timer lover. I love all sailboats.
yeah.
And this is called Schoenabrik or Brigantine, as this ship's type.
Mm-hmm. Very expensive to take out, huh?
Very expensive, yeah.
And this happens if you don't check the mooring lines.
Yes, it's happened.
Yeah. So maybe I can remove the sail and I will put to my trimaran, huh? Ayan guys, pasok na kami dito.